How to add own songs in Instagram story. So if you want to add own songs on your Instagram story, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Instagram application at first. And now if you try to add your own songs in your Instagram story directly, then we don't have a direct option. What you can do is you can simply use any editing applications like CapCut, InShot, or any other application that you have, and you can try adding the music from the editing application. So just simply go with the applications and then you can add your story or the video that you would like to post on your story. So open up your CapCut. I'll just simply go with an CapCut example. Now I'll go with new project. After that, go with add, which is on the bottom right. Once you've selected your video, you can just simply go with the add audio option. Tap on add audio and then you can go with sound and you can add your own sound that is in your device or that you've saved. You can just simply go with extract and then you can add the audio to the video that you have just added. Once you've added the audio, or once you have the audio, you can go with export, which is on the top right, and it will start the exporting process. So just wait for a few seconds. Once you've done, now you just need to simply go with your Instagram stories, which is right here. You will have the option right here, or you can also just remove this and go with your Instagram and tap on your story, which is on the upper left, and select the video that you've just saved. You can go and post it. That's how you can add your own songs in your Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.